The world is shrinking. This isn't a statement about physical geography, but about the interconnected nature of business in the 21st century. International marketing management is no longer the domain of only large multinational corporations. Even small and medium-sized enterprises are finding themselves increasingly engaged in the global marketplace. This new reality brings with it tremendous opportunities for growth and expansion, but it also presents unique challenges that require a deep understanding of diverse markets and a strategic approach to navigate them effectively. One of the most fundamental aspects of successful international marketing is recognizing that what works in one market may not necessarily translate to another. Consumer preferences, cultural norms, economic conditions, political landscapes, and legal frameworks can vary significantly from country to country. A product that is wildly popular in one region may be met with indifference or even resistance in another due to factors that might not be immediately apparent without careful analysis. This underscores the critical importance of conducting thorough market research and developing a nuanced understanding of the target market's characteristics. International marketing management encompasses the entire spectrum of marketing activities, from market research and product development to pricing, distribution, and promotion, but with a crucial global perspective. It involves identifying and understanding the unique needs and wants of consumers in different countries, and then tailoring the marketing mix accordingly. This requires a departure from the traditional one-size-fits-all approach and an embrace of flexibility and adaptability. The ultimate goal of international marketing management is to create value for customers in global markets, leading to increased sales, market share, and profitability for the business. The rewards of successful international marketing can be substantial, but the journey is not without its hurdles. Marketers venturing into the global arena must be prepared to face a myriad of challenges, from navigating complex regulatory environments to adapting to different languages and cultural nuances. By understanding these challenges and approaching international marketing with a strategic mindset, businesses can position themselves for success in the ever-evolving global marketplace. Venturing into international markets is akin to navigating a complex labyrinth, where unexpected twists and turns can lead to both opportunities and pitfalls. One of the primary challenges faced by international marketers is the sheer diversity of the global marketplace. Each country, and often regions within a country, presents a unique set of cultural, economic, political, and legal factors that can significantly impact the success of a product or service. Cultural differences, often subtle and deeply ingrained, can significantly influence consumer behavior. Language barriers, religious practices, social customs, and even color preferences can all play a role in how a product is perceived and received. For instance, a marketing campaign featuring humor or imagery that resonates in one culture may be considered offensive or inappropriate in another. Similarly, a product's packaging, branding, and messaging need to be carefully considered to ensure cultural sensitivity and avoid unintended negative connotations. Economic disparities between countries also pose significant challenges for international marketers. Income levels, purchasing power, and access to credit can vary widely, influencing the pricing and distribution strategies employed. Products that are considered everyday necessities in developed countries may be seen as luxury items in developing nations. Marketers need to be cognizant of these economic realities and tailor their offerings and pricing models accordingly. The political and legal landscape of a country can be a major determinant of success or failure in international marketing. Political instability, government regulations, trade barriers, and intellectual property laws can all create obstacles for businesses. Understanding the political climate and navigating the legal framework of a target market is crucial to ensure compliance and mitigate risks. Overcoming these challenges requires a deep understanding of the target market, a commitment to cultural sensitivity, and the ability to adapt marketing strategies to suit local conditions. By viewing these challenges not as insurmountable obstacles, but as opportunities for learning and growth, businesses can navigate the labyrinth of international marketing and emerge successful on the global stage. In the dynamic world of international marketing, a well-defined plan is the compass that guides businesses towards success. Without a clear roadmap, even the most promising ventures can lose their way amidst the complexities of the global marketplace. Planning for international marketing is an iterative process that involves a thorough analysis of the current situation, setting realistic yet ambitious objectives and developing a comprehensive strategy to achieve those objectives. The first step in the planning process is conducting a comprehensive situation analysis. This involves examining both internal and external factors that can impact the business. Internally, this includes assessing the company's strengths and weaknesses, such as its financial resources, technological capabilities, brand reputation, and human capital. Externally, the focus shifts to analyzing the opportunities and threats present in the market, including factors like market size and growth potential, competitive intensity, political and economic stability, and technological advancements. The SWOT analysis framework is a valuable tool for organizing and understanding these internal and external factors. Once a clear picture of the current situation emerges, the next step is setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound objectives. These objectives should align with the overall business goals and provide a clear direction for the international marketing efforts. Objectives could include increasing market share in a particular region, launching a new product in an emerging market, or improving brand awareness among a specific target audience. With objectives in place, the focus shifts to developing a robust strategy to achieve them. This involves making critical decisions about the target market, market entry mode, marketing mix, and resource allocation. Selecting the right target market is crucial, considering factors like market size, growth potential, competitive landscape, and alignment with the company's strengths. The chosen market entry mode will depend on factors such as the level of control desired, the amount of investment available, and the level of risk the company is willing to assume. Options range from exporting and licensing to joint ventures and foreign direct investment. Finally, the marketing mix needs to be carefully crafted to resonate with the target market, considering local preferences, cultural nuances, and economic conditions. Section 4. Building a global team, organizational structures for international marketing. As businesses expand their operations into international markets, the need for an organizational structure that can effectively manage the complexities of a global presence becomes paramount. The chosen structure should facilitate seamless communication, efficient resource allocation, and coordinated decision-making across geographically dispersed teams. Several organizational structures have emerged as viable options for international marketing, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. The functional structure, often favored by companies in their early stages of internationalization, organizes employees based on their areas of expertise, such as marketing, finance, operations, and human resources. This structure allows for specialization and efficiency within each department. However, as international operations grow, the functional structure can lead to communication silos and a lack of coordination between departments, potentially hindering the company's ability to respond effectively to market-specific challenges. The divisional structure, on the other hand, organizes the company into divisions based on product lines, geographical regions, or customer segments. This structure allows for greater autonomy and accountability within each division, enabling them to tailor their strategies to the specific needs of their respective markets. However, it can also lead to duplication of efforts and resources, as each division may have its own marketing, finance, and operations teams. The geographical structure organizes the company based on geographic regions, with each region having its own dedicated team responsible for all aspects of the business in that area. This structure is particularly well suited for companies operating in markets with significant cultural, economic, or political differences, as it allows for localized decision-making and a deeper understanding of local nuances. However, it can also lead to fragmentation and a lack of consistency in branding and messaging across different regions. The matrix structure attempts to combine the benefits of both functional and divisional or geographical structures. Employees report to both a functional manager and a divisional or regional manager, fostering communication and collaboration across departments and geographies. However, the matrix structure can also be complex and challenging to manage, as employees may face conflicting priorities from their multiple reporting lines. Section 5. Putting plans into action, implementation in international marketing. A meticulously crafted international marketing plan is only as good as its execution. Implementation is the critical stage where ideas are translated into actions and strategies are brought to life in the marketplace. Effective implementation requires meticulous attention to detail, a commitment to adaptability, and the ability to navigate the complexities of coordinating efforts across borders and cultures. One of the key challenges in implementation is ensuring that the chosen marketing mix product, price, place, and promotion is effectively adapted to the target market. Product adaptations may range from minor modifications to packaging and labeling to significant changes in product features and functionality to meet local preferences and regulations. Pricing strategies need to take into account factors such as local purchasing power, currency fluctuations, and competitive pricing. Distribution channels need to be established to ensure that products reach consumers in a timely and cost-effective manner, considering local infrastructure, logistics networks, and consumer shopping habits. Promotional campaigns, including advertising, public relations, and sales promotions, need to be tailored to resonate with the target audience, taking into account cultural nuances, language differences, and media consumption patterns. Effective communication is paramount throughout the implementation process. Regular communication between headquarters and local teams is essential to ensure that everyone is aligned on objectives, strategies, and progress. This can be facilitated through regular meetings, video conferencing, and shared online platforms. Building strong relationships with local partners such as distributors, retailers, and advertising agencies is also crucial for successful implementation. Flexibility and adaptability are key attributes of successful implementation in international marketing. Unforeseen challenges and opportunities will inevitably arise, requiring adjustments to the plan and quick decision-making. A willingness to listen to local feedback, learn from mistakes, and make necessary adjustments along the way is essential for navigating the dynamic nature of the global marketplace. Section 6. Measuring success and adapting control mechanisms in international marketing. In the ever-evolving landscape of international marketing, simply implementing a plan is not enough. Continuous monitoring, evaluation, and adaptation are essential for ensuring that marketing efforts remain aligned with objectives and deliver the desired results. Control mechanisms provide the framework for measuring success, identifying areas for improvement, and making necessary adjustments to strategies and tactics. Control in international marketing operates at multiple levels, each providing valuable insights into different aspects of the business. Strategic control involves periodically reviewing the overall strategic direction of the international marketing efforts, assessing whether the chosen target markets, market entry modes, and competitive positioning remain relevant and effective. This high-level review ensures that the business is on the right track and making progress towards its long-term goals. Annual plan control focuses on evaluating the performance of the current year's marketing plan. Key performance indicators, or KPIs, are established to track progress towards objectives, such as sales revenue, market share, brand awareness, and customer satisfaction. Regular monitoring of these KPIs allows for early identification of any deviations from the plan and enables timely corrective actions. Profitability control delves deeper into the financial performance of different products, regions, and customer segments. By analyzing profitability at a granular level, businesses can identify their most and least profitable areas of operation, enabling them to allocate resources more effectively and optimize their pricing and distribution strategies. Efficiency control focuses on evaluating the efficiency of various marketing activities and processes. This may involve analyzing the return on investment, or ROI, of different marketing campaigns, assessing the effectiveness of distribution channels, or evaluating the performance of local marketing teams. By identifying areas where efficiency can be improved, businesses can optimize their resource allocation and maximize the impact of their marketing efforts. Section 7. Conclusion: the enduring significance of international marketing management. In an increasingly interconnected world, international marketing management has transitioned from a specialized function to an integral aspect of business success. The ability to navigate the complexities of the global marketplace, understand diverse customer needs, and adapt strategies to local nuances is no longer a luxury but a necessity for businesses of all sizes. The journey of international marketing is fraught with challenges, from cultural differences and economic disparities to political uncertainties and legal complexities. However, by embracing a strategic mindset, conducting thorough market research, and remaining adaptable to changing market conditions, businesses can unlock the immense opportunities presented by the global marketplace. The principles of international marketing management, from planning and organizing to implementing and controlling, provide a roadmap for navigating this complex landscape and achieving sustainable growth in the international arena. As businesses continue to expand their global footprints, the importance of international marketing management will only continue to grow. By embracing the challenges and opportunities of the global marketplace, businesses can position themselves for long-term success and contribute to a more interconnected and prosperous world.